360 camera is a popular topic nowadays. Today we're diving into the world of 360 cameras, where every shot tells the full story. Whether you're scaling a mountain, filming jaw-dropping stunts, or creating virtual tours, these cameras are here to elevate your content game in 2025. Let's get started. When I got my hands on this camera, I knew right away, it's a total game changer. Whether you're upgrading from the X3 like me or diving into 360-degree photography for the first time, this device is built to impress. It's a standout feature, a jaw-dropping 8K resolution powered by a beefed-up processor, delivering sharper, more detailed footage, even when zooming in during edits. Add to that a crucial 4K at 60 FPS for action shots and upgraded bullet time at 5.7K 120 FPS, and you've got versatility covered. Insta360's software is another winner. From AI subject tracking that saves you hours of manual editing, to seamless integration with Mac, PC, and major editing tools. They've also added practical touches like removable lens covers for rugged use and support for external mics, proving they're listening to their users. It's everything you'd want in a 360 camera, powerful, polished, and ready to tackle 2025 with style. If you're into capturing immersive outdoor adventures or high-octane sports, the GoPro Max is a fantastic alternative to the Insta360 ONE X2. Waterproof up to 16 feet without a case, it's designed for rugged use with a tough matte gray finish and a compact build. Its standout feature? A simplified 360-degree experience thanks to GoPro's improved software, and a touchscreen for intuitive control. Editing is a breeze with overcapture, turning your 360-degree footage into sharp full HD 2D films, and advanced features like hyper-smooth stabilization and 360-degree time warp sequences elevate action shots. While its 2D footage can't rival dedicated action cams like the Hero 8 Black, it excels in capturing everything around you without worrying about angles. The $499 Max is user-friendly, with built-in mounts, dome protectors, and the ability to sit upright or attach to tripods. Whether you're diving, climbing, or cycling, the GoPro Max ensures you'll relive the moment from every possible perspective. The Kandao QCam 3 is a budget-friendly 360-degree camera that packs impressive hardware for its price. With dual 155-inch sensors and f1.6 apertures, it delivers stunning 5.7K video and up to 62-megapixel stills, rivaling the Insta360 X3 and GoPro Max. Its sleek design is both functional and stylish, perfect for vlogging or capturing immersive panoramas on a selfie stick. While battery life is a modest 30 minutes, the build quality holds up, with no signs of overheating during use. Though Kandao's software suite doesn't yet match the polish of its competitors and lacks a Mac PC app, the mobile app simplifies sharing content on the go. With Kandao's reputation for professional 360-degree cameras and a promising product lineup, including the 8K QCam 3 Ultra, this series shows real potential. But it's the accessible pricing of the QCam 3 that truly makes it stand out, offering great value for newcomers to 360-degree photography. Another one from Insta360. The Insta360 X3 stands out as the best 360-degree camera for most people, blending innovative features with impressive hardware. Water-resistant to 10 meters, it boasts a significantly larger touchscreen than its predecessor, the X2, making it easier to preview videos and adjust settings on the go. With up to 80 minutes of battery life, the X3 is built to keep up with your adventures. Its standout feature is the remarkable flow-state image stabilization, which ensures even the roughest footage looks smooth. The X3 captures stunning 5.7K video at 30 FPS and 4K video at up to 60 FPS, delivering high-quality visuals for immersive content. Additionally, its time shift feature lets you effortlessly slow down or speed up segments of your videos, giving you creative control. Whether you're an adventurer or content creator, the Insta360 X3 offers a seamless combination of durability, performance, and cutting-edge software. The Ricoh Theta X is a niche choice, but it excels in one specific area: fast, high-quality virtual tours. If you're a content creator looking for an action camera alternative, this isn't your best bet. Its image stabilization falls short of options like the Insta360X series, and vloggers might be disappointed by the lack of external microphone support. However, for realtors or creators focused on virtual tours, the Theta X shines. It can capture 62 megapixel images in automated HDR mode, perfect for uploading into platforms like Matterport to create seamless tours. While its broader feature set and pricing leave room for debate, particularly when competing with the Insta360 X3 or X4's slightly higher resolution, the Theta X stands out with excellent color reproduction and low light performance, even in unremarkable spaces. The absence of raw capture limits flexibility for advanced editing, but for realtors seeking speed and quality on the go, the Theta X remains a practical and effective tool. Back to 2017, there was not a vast amount of 360 cameras in the market. The GoPro Fusion offers solid value at a reduced price, making it an appealing option for those seeking 360-degree video at 5.2K resolution, 30 FPS, or 3K, 60 FPS. One of its key features, overcapture, allows you to film in 360 and then crop the footage into a traditional 16:9 format, giving you more flexibility with editing. The Fusion also includes useful features like GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 3D audio, making it a versatile choice for adventure and action shots. It's waterproof to 5 meters and compatible with GoPro's wide range of mounts, making it ready for various shooting scenarios. While the newer GoPro Max improves on the Fusion with features like a front-facing screen, better stabilization, and 6 microphones, the Fusion still offers excellent value, especially if you find it at a discount. For basic 360-degree capture and creative editing, it's definitely worth considering. If the Vecnos Iki were a movie character, it'd be the camera equivalent of the Flash, capturing your 360-degree moments before you can say cheese. Imagine the speed and flair of Quicksilver's iconic slow-motion kitchen scene in X-Men Days of Future Past, but instead of dodging bullets, you're snapping selfies with ease. Its pen-like size makes it effortless to carry, always ready for that perfect spontaneous shot. The Iqui's app takes your photos and spins them into mini-movies, primed for social media stardom. While its image quality isn't on par with Insta360 or GoPro, its charm lies in its simplicity and speed, making it a favorite for influencers on the go. Still, we wish the app had more editing features, because even the Flash deserves more than just a quick cameo in your creative journey. That wraps up our list of the top 7 best 360 cameras for 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.